At Indoor Air Quality, we prioritize energy efficiency and comfort for your home with Bosch IDS Heat Pumps, backed by over 60 years of expert HVAC experience and NATE-certified technicians. Here are 6 key benefits of Bosch IDS Heat Pumps. 1. Exceptional energy efficiency. Bosch IDS heat pumps use inverter-driven technology to precisely control temperature and significantly reduce your energy use and utility bills. 2. Year-round comfort. You can rely on Bosch IDS heat pumps to provide consistent heating and cooling, adapting seamlessly to Colorado's changing seasonal climate. 3. Quiet operation. Bosch IDS heat pumps are designed with advanced sound reduction features, ensuring quiet performance that maintains your home's peaceful environment. 4. Durable and long-lasting design. Bosch IDS heat pumps are built with durable components to withstand Colorado's harsh weather, providing dependable performance over years of use. 5. Smart controls and compatibility. You can easily integrate Bosch IDS heat pumps with smart thermostats and home automation systems for remote control and improved energy efficiency. 6. Expert support from Indoor Air Quality. Choosing Bosch IDS heat pumps means you receive expert installation, maintenance, and repair from our highly trained, hands-on HVAC team dedicated to your satisfaction. Interested in more information about Bosch IDS heat pumps? Since 2001, Indoor Air Quality has provided heating and cooling services to homeowners in Centennial, Aurora, Denver, Highlands Ranch, and the greater Denver metro area. Contact us for more information and a free quote.